Sit down towards your heels into a child pose. Keep your hands where they are. That will get a stretch for your shoulders. And as you inhale, you can keep your arms straight and push your hips down towards the floor. Squeeze your shoulder blades into an upward dog. Exhale, we're going back to your child pose. You can repeat that if you want it stronger. We're going to scoop your chest towards the floor, bend the elbows, and feel the elbows touch the sides of the body. They're not coming out to the sides of the mat. So exhale down, either straight arms or bent arms. We're coming forwards and up into your upward dog. So move with the breath. Exhale down, inhale up. And we're trying to find a big flex of the lower back. Bent arms is going to find you some shoulder strength. And straight arms is going to focus just in your lower back. So again, find your version. Even if it's very slightly bent arms, you can be anything that works for you. Just feel that movement, that flexing forwards and backwards of the lower back.